Hey everybody, coming to you from Detroit Airport. We've had a crazy week traveling for different masterminds, and plus we have all the news that's going on right now. If you're watching this in the future, it's probably the best, but right now with the whole coronavirus deal and the stock market is affecting some of our travel plans. But I'm coming to you with Freebie Friday number 7, and I just want to make it quick and show you Zapier.com. If you haven't heard of it, what it is it's an automation service that's pretty easy to use. They have an amazing help section to guide you through all of it. But it's taking if and then statements to do tasks for you automatically. Best used for simple data entry type deals. Maybe use it to move your leads from different services between. Say like someone emails you a certain subject, you can then capture that. So if an email comes into my inbox under this subject line, then I want you to add that to a Google spreadsheet as a new row, stuff like that. I use it for tons of stuff. You can see right here I have 115 zaps is what they're called. Let me see if I can find one and dive into it for you. I use them mainly for lead gen because that's the most repetitive thing that I'm involved with. I use them in our warehouse for orders so they can automatically, when a new order comes in on our inventory site for our contractors that they use, automatically print that out in the printer. It can handle stuff like that too. Let me see. Try and find a good one for you. Sorry guys, 1 second. Yeah, this is a simple one. You can do this stuff with anything. It integrates basically with any program you would ever use on the computer. But here's an easy example. When Instagram triggers new media posted in my account, when I post something on Instagram, you tell it what account to pull it from, you run a test to pull in some test data, and then you tell it what to do. If new media is posted on Instagram, I want it to copy that into our Facebook groups to spur some activity. So it's just if and then statements. And there's tons of stuff that you're doing right now that you can just automate with this. And I think, let me see if it has a stat. It saves thousands of hours over time. Let me see, task history. My top single zap did 1,026 tasks this month. Just tons of different stuff. You can see, go back to my dashboard. You basically just search for whatever app you want to trigger off of and whatever app you want to push data into. It's really cool. On the left here, little get help button, amazing help section they have here, and they actually have a support team where you can send questions to, or you can just email me, and I can give you a little guidance if it's something that I think I can help you with. But you can get started with Zapier for free. Once you build out enough zaps, it eventually becomes a paid thing. I think I only pay $40 a month for our Zapier, and I get 3,000 tasks per 4 weeks and up to 100 different Zap workflows. So check that out. There's something similar called IFTTT, if this then that.com. I moved away from that probably like 2 years ago because they made it too rigid. They wanted you to use pre-built workflows that they came up with. Zapier allows you to make them yourself and do exactly what you want with them. So check out Zapier and start scheming up and thinking what tasks you can take off your plate and automate with the computer. This is a step below virtual assistants. This is stuff you really wouldn't even want your virtual assistants doing because it's too repetitive. So check it out, guys, and I'll see you in the next Freebie Friday.